Hey Lego fans, and welcome back to MB Bricks. My name is Maya, and today we are going to be looking at the brand new Lego Ideas set number 21355, Knowledge is Power. And thank you so much to the Lego group for gifting me this set today. This set is releasing March 1st, 2025, and it was the winning submission for the challenge of Celebrate the Wonder of STEM back in 2023. STEM refers to science, technology, engineering, and math, which all intertwines to help us understand the world. Before we get too far into this video though, let's take a step back and see how this 879 piece set came together. Okay, so first off, let me say this was a super fun build, and let's take a moment to compare to the original submission piece by Daniel Bradley. The new design appears to be slightly bigger than the original and definitely taller in the back. I've liked that the LEGO designers kept a lot of the original mini builds as well as the rocket ship, Bumblebee, and micro-scale city. I prefer the page design of this set than the original, although I do prefer the spine of the original build. It is helpful to note that some of these pieces for the pages are a brand new part, which we will go over in the new parts section in just a bit. One thing that really stands out as different is the large DNA strand in the back, which adds a lot of height as well as a color boost. It also gave an area for the Voyager 1 probe, a spaceship, and the Bumblebee to hang out above the rest of the build. The first two represent the human's endeavor to explore beyond our world, and the bee represents a balanced ecosystem. The next big eye catcher is the atom in the very middle. This was also not in the original submission build, but I do like that it was added. Both the atom and the DNA strand move by rotating a single knob in the back. Hidden beneath the pages is a color spectrum including infrared and ultraviolet, which the human eye cannot see. The other side has a Morse code which was created in 1836 for easy communication. On the right-hand side, we see a micro-scale city with tall buildings, a bus, and an airplane, all amazing technological feats. I like that this was built on an angle to make it more visually appealing for display. In front, we can see a garden piece with some newer flower designs. The ground is built completely sideways using snot techniques, allowing the plants to still grow upwards. George Washington Carver was known for his agricultural advancements using peanuts, soybeans, and sweet potatoes to improve soil over time. Switching to the backside, we can see a nicely done apple tree, which represents the one used by Isaac Newton to test his theory of gravity. Just in front, we can see a model of one of the first automobiles, which was revolutionary at the time. This would lead to faster and more efficient travel in years to come. The front desk is pretty cool with the angles and mini designs of the microscope and desktop computer. A lot of research is of course done in labs to learn more every day about the different STEM categories. The minifigures we get in the set are George Washington Carver, who I've already mentioned was an agriculturist and also promoted environmentalism. Sir Isaac Newton, who was a mathematician, scientist, and more. He formulated the laws of motion as well as gravity and many other scientific discoveries. Lastly, we have Marie Curie, who was a chemist and was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize as well as the first person to win it twice. There are a couple of new elements and part colors in this set as well. This 2x6x1 tall reverse arch piece is absolutely perfect for the pages of the book. I can definitely see this being useful for other builds as well as more colors come out. This translucent blue curve is really cool and able to convey a microscale waterfall coming out from under the bridge. There are hardly any translucent colors for curved pieces, so it would be really nice to see more of that. Another one that really stood out to me were the bee's wings. These are the newer style leaf pieces recolored to trans clear, which work perfectly for this build. This also leads me to a couple of NPUs, or nice part usages, because using these leaf pieces as wings is absolutely brilliant and of course gives a great shape to finish off the bee. Another NPU actually uses another newer element, the 1x1 round plate with bar handle. This was used nicely with the micro build of the airplane to create the jet engines under the wings. This set overall was super fun one to build and a great display piece. There aren't a lot of play features, so of course this one is recommended for 18+. You do get quite a few extra pieces with this one as well as a lot of newer elements and colors.
And that covers everything for this review of the set Knowledge is Power, which was the winning submission for Celebrating the Wonders of STEM by Daniel Bradley. I will link his Instagram in the description below if you'd like to see what he's up to now.
Let me know in the comment section below if you like this set and are planning on purchasing one, and don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button to see more. I hope you guys have enjoyed this new style of video. There will be more in the near future, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm going to be working on my next big project, so until next time, keep on building.